tap into local inventory listings to boost your Shopify POS products. With more shoppers using Google to find products and nearby stores carrying them than ever, local inventory listings are a practical way to reach them. Not only do these listings provide potential customers with all the information they need to make an informed decision, they also give store owners an opportunity to highlight their fulfillment options like pick up today, curbside pickup, and pick up later. Let's explore how you can use local product inventory feeds to your advantage. How it works. Once you upload your local product inventory feed, your products become eligible to show up in Google Search, Google Maps, Google Images, and Google Assistant. Depending on the item's availability and proximity to the searcher's location, it may appear in any of these places. This means that a shopper can find out which stores carry a certain item within seconds of searching for it on Google, which is incredibly convenient. You can list Shopify POS products for free or choose to boost their visibility with promotional campaigns. This gives store owners access to an effective marketing tool no matter what their budget is. By taking advantage of these paid promotions, you can drive more foot traffic and increase sales for select items. Additionally, if you have items that are limited in stock or have special features, for example, pick up later, advertising them as such will let shoppers know that they should act quickly before they're gone. The benefits of local inventory listings. Local inventory listings offer store owners a variety of benefits aside from increased visibility and higher sales figures. Having accurate data available at all times ensures that shoppers never miss out on buying something they want due to outdated information being listed online. Furthermore, having detailed product information readily available makes purchase decisions easier for shoppers, which is why many stores have seen success in leveraging local inventory optimization tools. Finally, including detailed product images allows shoppers an up-close look at what they're about to buy before making their purchase decision, which helps build trust between store owners and customers alike. Using local inventory listings is a great way for Shopify POS store owners to promote their products online and increase visibility for specific items or services. With this powerful marketing tool at your disposal, you can not only draw more foot traffic, but also make it easier for customers by offering convenience through fulfillment options like pick up today, curbside pickup, and pick up later. Now that you know how it works and the advantages it has over traditional advertising methods, why not give it a try? You may be pleasantly surprised by the results.